Hi everyone, I'm Ws-Hrw-Eav from Safe & Well, and today I'm very excited to present to you this Economy Series electric wheelchair from the brand Hopkin. The price is very affordable. It's only below 2,500 ringgit, whereas the other Hopkin electric wheelchair series, they are about 3,500 to about 6,500 ringgit. So this is a very affordable and very high quality and comfortable wheelchair which you can use on a day-to-day basis. Furthermore, Hopkin provides 1 year manufacturing defects warranty on the controller, on the frame, and as well as the motor at the back. There are two motors over here. Furthermore, Hopkin also provides a 6 months warranty on the battery. There are two batteries, right and left, inside the black casing. Okay. So if you are a right-hander, you can actually use the controller on your right, but if you are left-hander, you can actually switch it to your left. Only need to detach the frame and transfer it this way to the other side. That will do. And for the wheels, the wheelchair uses the flat-free 12-inch tire, so you do not need to pump any gas inside, as well as the caster is about 5-inch. And there's a rubber arm pad with a plastic footrest. Very nice, very stylish. And now if you look in closely to the fabric, it's made of a mesh fabric design, so it's very cooling, very comfortable, and it's very sturdy. So now the wheelchair is turned off. When you turn it off, you can actually use the wheelchair for manual mode, like a normal standard wheelchair. You can push it, very easy, very smooth. You don't need to use a lot of force, so it's very simple. Okay, now I'm going to sit inside and I will present to everyone how to use this Hopkin electric wheelchair. Okay. I've actually detached the controller out from the frame. So if you see this controller, there's this button on top. This is the on-off button. Just tap it once and it's on already. Okay. You can see there's the green, orange and red light. For green, it means it's fully charged. Orange means we recommend you to charge the wheelchair now. And red means the battery is almost finished. Okay. Once you fully charge the wheelchair, the battery can actually last for about 24 km, and it takes about 6 to 8 hours to charge the battery full. We would normally encourage users to charge it at night before you sleep, so by the time you wake up the next morning, you can actually start using the wheelchair and use it outdoor, going out. Okay, to move the wheelchair forward, just push the controller forward over here and let go to brake. To reverse, just push it backwards and let go. So you can hear that with the beep sound, that's the reverse mode. So people around you know that you are going to reverse backwards. And then to push right, you will move right and then left. It's very straightforward and very easy. You need your fingers to control. And for now, I'll present to you the turning radius of the wheelchair. Okay. The radius is actually very wide. It's very easy to push, to move the wheelchair on the spot itself. No issues like that, the turning radius. Currently, I'm using speed at level 3. It's not too fast and not too slow. So for first-time users, we would recommend speed level 2 or level 3. So there's this next button over here, this is the horn. For the speed adjustment, this is to increase the speed. The max you can go up to level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, level 5. To reduce speed, you press over here, this button. So I recommend 2 or 3 for first time users. However, if you want to try level 5, this is also okay. And so this is level 3. Yep, very easy, very smooth, and very comfortable. It's about 18-inch seat width, so I feel very comfortable. I don't feel any backache. Yeah, and I have lots of space to move around, wiggle. Okay, now I'll turn it off and I'll show everyone how to fold this wheelchair. Okay, to fold the wheelchair, basically you lift up this footrest over here, followed by lifting up the upholstery, the seat upholstery, just like this. And it's fully folded up. However, if you were to store inside your car and you want to make it more compact, you see this black screw over here, you can actually remove. After removing the black screw, you can basically just lift down, fold down this backrest for both sides. So it will save out a lot more space inside the car. As well as, if you would need to detach the leg rest, you can basically just remove this clip over here and pull out the leg rest. And if you want to put it back, just insert it back in and then put in the black clip over here. Same for the backrest. So it's very simple to use, simple to operate, very easy to fold and open up. It is definitely a bargain buy for the price. Yep. And it's a very good quality product from Hopkin. So if you need any after-sales service or warranty claims, or you need spare parts, you are more than welcome to contact us anytime to our Safe and Well hotline at 018-380-8005, or you can PM us on our social media accounts, or you can even walk into our outlets anytime. So I will see you next time. If you have any questions, you can PM us anytime. Thanks.